What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter from Panda. If you don't want to drink Soylent, you can eat it. Do that with these Soylent Squared 100-calorie mini meal snacks. I wanted to pick this up because I like having granola bars and little snacks on my desk after a long day, just something to tide you over between meals. You know, sometimes you're pretty busy. And so I picked these up, and this is what they look like. They come in these little tiny packages, 100 calories, probably prepared with the same chemical and constituents that they use for Soylent. But I wanted to check this out in the chocolate brownie because the chocolate, the cacao flavored Soylent is my favorite. Tastes like chocolate milk. 5 grams of plant protein, 36 essential nutrients with probiotics, and you can see the nutritional information here. But I thought we would taste it, try it, check it out, see if this is going to be a good replacement for all the little stuff that I have on my desk. Now, I will say this isn't huge. It's probably about 1.5 inches squared and, you know, 1/2 inch thick. You can see it looks like there's some nuts and stuff in there. Looks just like a little brownie. Smells like a little brownie, although it doesn't smell quite as like rich and sugary. More like that cacao aroma. And let's give it a little taste here. All right, this is pretty good. It's dry and a little crunchier than kind of your pre-packaged brownies, but it has a very similar taste. Maybe just a little bit more cacao-ish than milk chocolatey, or more so even than like dark chocolate. It's just, it doesn't have a real rich, sugary, decadent taste to it, which is good, I think. In fact, it's got maybe just enough of that so that you don't feel like you're eating a sweet or a treat or something like that, especially say this is an afternoon or kind of in between meal thing. But it's got just enough sweetness that it's enjoyable and pleasant. You know, doesn't feel like a healthy snack per se, but doesn't feel, you know, as weighty and as, I don't know, sugary and rich and unhealthy as like a sugary snack. So pretty cool. Only 100 calories. Definitely something that I think will tide you over in between meals. This is what it looks like. I might get the other flavors now and try those out too, even though chocolate is my absolute favorite. So these are definitely going to get devoured. I will put a link to these in the description below if you want to pick them up. Peter von Panda, out!